All right, so we just cooked this at 425 degrees for about an hour to get the squash so that you can, it's soft. This one's still a little hard on the side, but for the most part, these are all pretty good. That one's a little tough, but I think it'll be okay. All right? These seem pretty good. I've jabbed them a lot to make sure they were soft. And then this is our onions. We cooked those for about an hour. Look, I burnt some over here. That's really good. So I think that'll be okay. We'll be able to use that. And then over here we have the tomatoes. Now these go in there too. These have been roasted and they look good. So that's ready to go. So we got all this ready. Now we just got to blend it all up and we're gonna make soup. Soup is good food. All right, so now these are nice and caramelized. I hear something's going on over here. I hear like boiling water, and there's the tomatoes. Check them out. And that's it right there. Now we just got to blend it up. Do you want me to get the blender?
I'm gonna get it and use it, so.
All right. This is our Vitamix. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna make a vegetable soup, a squash vegetable soup, and those are, of course, delicious sweet potatoes. It comes with tomatoes and onions, and we're gonna blend it all in this blender right here and make delicious soup out of it. It's gonna be amazing. You guys are gonna get a chance to see it. Here we go. First, we gotta scoop this out. So we're just gonna go ahead and scoopity-doopity it. And it comes out pretty good because we cooked it. See that? Just pops right out of there. She's tasting it to see if it's good. And if it's not fully cooked, it's okay, right?
Yeah.
What about the skin? Do we keep that?
No, I don't put that unless you want to eat it.
I mean, could we blend that in there?
No.
Yeah. I heard that it's got a lot of nutrients in it. Couldn't you just squeeze it and it just squeezes out?
Probably not.
Give it a squeeze, see what happens. I mean, you're using the spoon, but I think you could squeeze it.
No, because I want to just get it. It's not like, whatchamacallit.
It's not?
What's it called? Garlic?
Yeah, garlic just squishes out. All right, so we've got to get all of this in this bowl. Once we do that, then we're gonna put it in this blender. So you guys hang tight. We're not gonna make you watch us do that. We'll come back in a couple minutes once we've got them all scooped. I'm gonna show you a squash. And look at how nice and soft and delicious the squash is. Squash is like my favorite thing. Oh my gosh, I could just eat squash just plain.
See, that's a little hard there, but that should be okay.
Well, as long as it's, we're gonna blend it anyway. Try not to get the squash in your hair. So we're trying to get all the squash out because we don't want to waste any of it. And I gotta tell you, this stuff right here is hard to cut. You need a super sharp knife. That's why we use Cutco. This is our Hex-Clad Gigando pot. I think this is, how many quarts is this?
12.
This is 12 quarts, man. You can make a lot of soup in that. And we're gonna make soup in that today. We're making squash soup. Here it is. We're gonna take all this squash, put it in there. Then we're gonna bring it over here. We're gonna put this mix in there. And then we're gonna blend it. And that's gonna be our soup. It's gonna be awesome. Also, we use this special vegan bouillon. It's all vegetables. It's really good. She's just mixing it in there in our Hex-Clad. Hex-Clad. The best pots and fry pans and cookware that you can possibly get. Highly recommend. All right, here we go. All right, we realized we needed a bigger bowl. So now we're gonna scrape out the butternut squash, put it in there with the sweet potatoes. And let's see how she does here. Oh, it's hard, huh?
No, it's just hard to grab.
Okay.
It's hard to maneuver.
But it's coming out okay. It's soft, right?
Yeah, no, it's all good.
That's important. It's got to be pretty soft, right?
Yeah,
Is that the way it works?
Yeah.
So she's doing that. We're going to do all of them. I'm not going to make you watch me do it, but all of this will be scraped out, put in there. It's going to take a while. all of this is going to be blended in the Vitamix. It's going to be sick. And it's going to go inside of the Hexclad, where we will cook it. Just want you guys to know we're going to put it on hot soup. You can put it on anything if you want, but we're going to hot soup.
I do the soup thingy, yeah.
All right, let's do it. First step is to get a big scoop of that delicious water. We're going to pour that in there. You see that? And we're going to put set. You can just set it on the side there. There we go.
Hot.
And now we're going to put this stuff inside. Here goes one big giant squabble of it. Get another big one. Now, how are you measuring this? Is there any madness to the system? What about this stuff here?
I get kind of I just get kind of an idea. So it said 2 big squash. I use 6.
Okay. Now, should we put the top on?
Yeah.
Okay. Top goes on. And
Actually, I need...
Do you want the plunger?
I need...
The plunger for the top? Or
No,
not?
I just need to get more of the stuff.
All right, so that's how you turn it on. Then turn it off just by clicking that.
That's weird.
So we got to mix it around a little bit. That's why you use the plunger. And then that way it'll mix around.
No, but that shouldn't have stopped.
Yeah, it does that.
No. It doesn't do that unless there's a rock in there. It shouldn't have stopped.
Maybe there was a rock in there.
No, there wasn't.
All right, here we go. It's working. Oh yeah, there we go. All right, now you got a bubble down there. Woo!
It's fine.
Whoa! See an air bubble.
So what I needed...
See, it's so thick.
I need to put this in...
Look at that. Bam. All right, now what do we do?
Use this and add that.
Well, you may want to...
I'm going to put that in here.
All right, you can get these bowls on Amazon, and let me tell you, they're the best in the world. You want to know why? They have this rubber coating in the bottom, so it sticks. It doesn't slip.
There.
And now this juice is what we're going to use to make this. She's going to put that in the Hexclad,
Actually,
or maybe she's not going to.
I should do a little bit each time.
All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to put some of this in, and we're going to put some of that in. Oh, she almost
and I
dropped the
meant to
whole
do
thing. Gotta go slower, honey.
The roasted garlic.
Roasted garlic. We need roasted garlic. Now she's sealing up one of the food saver bags. Over here we've got a roasted garlic, and we've got to pop this out of there. Now this one's sealed already, so we're going to just open it up. We're going to open this. She's got to help me because I got to film with one hand. Okay, now we can get the garlic out of here. And it's trying to find red pepper. Bam, there we go. Now we're going to reuse this. We got to get our roasted garlic out of here. It's got it all taped up.
Honey, where did I put it?
I have no idea where you put it. So here we are. We're getting the garlic out. And she's only going to take us, like, I don't know how much you're going to get out of there. But
Guessing.
that's good. So this is going to go in there. Okay, now I can go ahead and blend it.
Let me see what can.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Bam! See it chopping it all up. let's check it. Woo! That looks good. Should we mix it a little bit? I don't want a big bubble to pop up.
I want to.
Wow, that looks good. Should we just stick that? Should we pour this one in the thing?
Where I put the bag of roasted red pepper that I just made, a big bag.
We're going for another shot on it. There we go. There we go. I wanted to show you guys on the bottom of this, there's an on and off switch. So when you don't see the blue light, it's off. When you see the blue light, it's on. So off, on, just know that, okay? And now we're filling her up. We're sticking all the stuff in it. We got the tomatoes, we got red peppers, we got all that in there. And she's got to put this juice in there too. So that's what we're gonna do. And then we want to put the cap on before we turn it on. Do you want to pour that juice in?
Yeah, I don't know where.
Now, I think you already put stuff in. Oh, there we go. She's got it over here. So we got a big thing of it. You're gonna need this juice. That juice is basically...
You call it broth, don't...
I know, okay, it's broth, juice, whatever, same thing. Make sure you put your cap on. There we go. Why are you doing that? Just let it do its thing. There it goes. It's going crazy. All right, you want to smush it around? Here, let me smush it a little bit. Did you put the garlic in?
I didn't do it again.
Oh, why not?
Let me just see something.
Oh, she's tasting it. It's like gazpacho. It's cold.
Good.
You like it?
Red pepper.
Let me try.
Of course, there's no garlic in this one.
Yeah, I don't like red pepper.
What?
I don't like red pepper.
So you're not going to like this now?
Yeah, I don't like it.
I won't put any more.
All right, so then we're going to put it over here. And that thing's going to get filled. Hexclad is going to get filled with this delicious soup. All right, this is the last little bits. We already used all these.
Thing of skin, that's funny.
All right, let's blend it up. We're making a mess, but that's okay. You ready? I think that's good. What do you want to do? Just pour that in there?
What?
Just pour it in?
I want to let them see.
Or do you want to, because this is like juicy. And that's it, that's our soup. That's how much soup it is. That's 12 quarts. We didn't get all the way to the top, but that's a lot. And that is going to be fantastic. Now we just got to heat it up a little bit. So we just turn it on low, 5, and just mix it all in. And that's going to be the soup right there. Bam. It's a little messy, but that's okay if you're messy when you're cooking. Clean it up afterwards, right? And this is one of our little Hexclad frying pans. And this is our giant
What is that
soup
there?
pan there. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. Look, you spilled some
Oh, it's just some of this.
of the soup in there.
Yeah, it was from that. It was the top.
Looks
Okay, so
good,
now
all
to
right.
chop